that steam out your car. I got you mugging me, sucker. In my dreams, I see dog. Why you be mugging me, sucker? Make you scream, make you holler. Get you mugging me, sucker. Get you mugging me, sucker. Get you mugging me, sucker. Best to let that steam out your car. I got you mugging me, sucker. In my dreams, I see dog. Why you be mugging me, sucker? Make you scream, make you holler. Get you mugging me, sucker. Get you mugging me, sucker. Get you mugging me, sucker. I got you
Peace and blessing, and as always, welcome to beautiful BlackhaveZone, Memphis, Tennessee. Today is Saturday, June 27th, 2020, and my name is Cedric Day Sr., and this is the Black Queen Chess Club. I want to thank you guys for your support. As always, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, Black Queen Chess Club, Snapchat, BAZManiac05. This is my new chess battle board. It just arrived today from Amazon. As you can see, it is a magnetic chess board. It is foldable, and it will allow me to have more versatility and be able to transport it around the city and take on more challenges. So to all you guys who say that I don't have my stuff together, I'm ready now. As you can see, this is a wooden box, and it is handcrafted. Each individual square is cut out in a line. Each number has its own place in square. Each piece will have its own place in square. Each letter has its own place in square. The box has hinges on the back for folding and unfolding. And it has a hinge on the front for when I open it. I'm going to put it down and open the box up so that you guys can see how intricate the detail is on these pieces. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at the detail on such classic pieces as the white horse. Look at the muzzle and the mane on that white horse. You can even see the ears sticking up on the horse. Look at the detail on the white pawn. And what was very important to me for this piece, for recognition, for this particular set, for recognition of pieces, was the detailing on the black queen. Because we got to have a black queen looking right? So, again, as always, I'm so elated to get this board out into the field to take on challengers. Please bear with me. I'm going to set the board up and let you guys see how the pieces look on the board and kind of how the detail is on the board. And again, I want to thank you for your support. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, the pieces as they lay on the board, this is just so beautiful. It's such a beautiful set, black and white, squares and pieces. Now I'm going to let you see how the board is travel ready. So as you can see, I can move my pieces side to side and they do not flex and hang. These are magnetic pieces, which will allow for the pieces to have less slippage when I do stuff like this right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then I could put it back. And so when I put it back, as you can see, like I said, less slippage. I don't have to go chasing after my pieces and finding them. This is ideal for parents who have little children, for people who are on the go. It costs $40 at Amazon, and I think that it is a great buy. Again, this is my magnetic chess battle board. I will be bringing this to the city of Memphis later on this summer. I want to thank you guys for your support. As always, to the Black Queen Chess Club, peace and blessings, and the black woman is God.